started out, we didn't have any chains on it. Those wire things I don't think were in the plan. And we put it all together. It was a lot of cables, a lot of pulleys, and we tried it and it just didn't work. That was a dark day.
The St. Johnsbury Robotics Team is getting ready for another year of competition. And this year, it's all about moving power.
It's a game where it's based off of an 8-bit arcade game. And what we're doing is we're trying to move these power cubes, which basically are just a milk crate that's been covered in a piece of fabric.
The team has 6 weeks before the competition starts to build their robot, which isn't always an easy task.
We thought of all of these crazy ideas that would fix it, and just none of them worked. And we just came up with like, all right, chains work, so we're just going to do chains now.
It takes people doing different jobs in order for the robot to work.
So we have people who are working on the computer stuff and people who are doing like the actual assemblings, as well as people who are doing like the media part.
And as you can see behind me, there's more than just a robot that's built here at Robotics Club.
You build bonds that like you don't build anywhere else, you know? It's just kind of like on sports, you kind of learn to trust each other, and like theater, you kind of learn to expect what it is. But here, like you really, because like there's things we do like downstairs in the machine shop, like if someone's not doing what they're supposed to, someone's going to get hurt.
I get to know so many different people, different kinds of people, like from my normal friends. And as an international student here, I get to work with all these like local students and some other international students, and to really communicate with them and to share our ideas.
I love seeing us come from a concept, an idea, to a CAD model, to a real robot, and seeing what the kids learn in the process of going through this process, which is, it's really intense because we only have 6 weeks from the time we find out what the robot has to do until we can't work on it anymore.
Just as intense as the competition will be when it kicks off on March 22nd to the 24th. Emma Quinn, News 7, St. Johnsbury.